What up, yo? It's your girl Oglio, and I am back with a video, and it's a great video. Today, well, technically yesterday, I bought my first car by myself, and I'm so excited. So today is the first full day I get to ride. You feel me? So today, I am gonna go see my best friend at his gravesite. It's been so long, and I feel like it's in me to go do it. I haven't seen him, and I said he was gonna be my first stop, but because it was late yesterday getting back, he will be my first stop today. I'm also gonna do some Instacarts, you know, get some money, you know, drop by the fam so the fam can see the new whip. And speaking of the new whip, I gotta show you the new whip. I have to show you the new whip. My baby look good. Let me show you. Okay, so I have finally made it to the cemetery so I can see my best friend. It's been a while. It's been too long, way too long. So let's go spend time with some Sebastian. Which, by the way, I didn't tell you the name of my car. My car is actually named after him. So his name is Sebastian Paul Dugas, and I decided to name my car Sir Paul. So let's go check on Mr. Paul. Okay, just to let you guys know what's going on. Now that I have seen my best friend and, you know, had a little chit chat with him, I had to get to the money. So I am doing some Instacarts. I'm actually on my second batch now. I'm about to take a break after I drop this order off. Then I gotta go, I'm going to my grandparents' house so my grandfather can see my car, because my grandfather haven't seen my car yet. And then once I leave there, I'll be going back into some Instacarts. So yeah, if you've never done Instacart before, it's pretty fun, pretty easy to make some good money, some, you know, some side money, some lunch money, depending on how hard you want to go. That's completely up to you. I have a goal in mind. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Yeah, absolutely. That is what's going on to keep you updated. But after I see my grandparents, I am gonna do some more Instacarts. And then after that, I need to go home and clean my house, because I don't like the way my house is looking right now. So let's keep rolling. Alright, so I'm finally back home. I did some more Instacarts. I did get to see my grandma and grandfather, and they love Sir Paul, okay? They love him, and just like I knew they would, you know? So my granddaddy already said we'd be taking a trip to Charlotte. So that will probably be another video that you'll see later on. Right now that I'm home, I gotta clean because I didn't get a chance to do it Friday because I was too busy getting my whip, you did. So it's time to take care of home, like right now. I've already started, but just come on. All right, I am done. I'm done cleaning. I am done for the day. I'm ready to take me a shower, lay in bed and binge watch something. I don't care what I watch, because eventually it's gonna be watching me. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get the next update that comes. Make sure you leave those comments below as well, so I can know, you know, what we're gonna do next. Suggestions on what you want to see me do next. Until next time.